Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve the question answers from the 9th standard English, A Girl Called Golden. It's a revised syllabus. Let's start. The first question is, which of the following descriptions best suits the poem praising Betty Cuthbert, criticizing Betty Cuthbert and questioning Betty Cuthbert? The answer is praising Betty Cuthbert. The poem is described as an ode, a poem in praise of Betty Cuthbert. Second question is, look at the first stanza and complete the table. Betty Cuthbert, her schoolmates, she ran. So you are having the question in your textbook. The answer is Betty Cuthbert, she ran when her schoolmates were walking. She sprinted if they started to run. She trained while others were playing. Her schoolmates, they were walking when she ran and started to run when she sprinted. They were playing while she trained. The next question is, which line in the first stanza suggests that Betty actually enjoyed what she was doing? The answer is the line, what was the secret that made it seem fun, suggests that Betty enjoyed her efforts. Fourth question is, there are questions in the first stanza which are answered in the second stanza again as questions. Relate them with the help of your partner. There is example provided. Answer the initial questions in the first stanza such as why did you run, why did you sprint and why did you train. Prompt an inquiry into Betty's unique dedication. The second stanza poses further questions like, was it the feel of the fresh air and sunshine? Was it the stir of the breeze in your hair? What made the coach recognize you were special? And was it because you had courage to spare? These questions in the second stanza rhetorically provide possible reasons or characteristics that led to her commitment, effectively addressing the why from the stanza. The next question is, what made the coach recognize that Betty was special? She was brave and a fast runner. She was determined and hardworking. She gave him advice about running. She was prepared to accept his advice. Tick the right choices. The answer is the coach recognized Betty was special because she was a brave and fast runner, implied by courage to spare and her nature as a sprinter. Then she was determined and hardworking, showing your will when the muscles were aching, long spells of effort and much to be learned. The last one is she was prepared to accept his advice, heeding the words that some others rejected. The next question is, which line in the third stanza suggests that it is not easy to become a winner? The answer is the line showing your will when the muscles were aching, long spells of effort and much to be learned, and knowing that winning could only be earned. From the third stanza, highlight the difficulty and dedication required to achieve victory. Betty was very young when she won gold medals at the Olympics. Pick out the word that suggests this. Answer, the word teens from the line still in your teens indicates that Betty was very young when she achieved her Olympic success. Do you think the title A Girl Called Golden is appropriate? Give reason. Answer is yes, the title A Girl Called Golden is appropriate. The poem is an ode to Betty Cuthbert, an Australian athlete who was a great sprinter and won multiple gold medals at the Olympic Games. The adjective golden directly reflects her extraordinary achievements and success in winning these gold medals, making the title a fitting tribute to her legacy. Friends, this is all about the question answers from this poem. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.